from Maryland Hall's ArtReach and Jóvenes Artistas. I'm back again with our ArtReach Challenge of the Week. This week we are going to be using recyclable bottles to create a birdhouse or bird feeder. Looking around my recycling bin, I found a milk jug, I found a coffee creamer jug, I found a water bottle, all sorts of different plastic jugs and containers that we are constantly throwing out or recycling. These are perfect materials to make little bird houses or bird feeders that you can put up in your backyard. I created some using paint and decorating them with my daughter. I also did one using only a Sharpie so that you can create this even if you don't have paint. I will say that even though it was our intention to have 4 bird houses and bird feeders that we created, our 4 bird houses have turned into stuffy homes for my daughter's stuffed animals. A perfectly acceptable thing to do with your artwork. Please share pictures of your artwork. If you don't feel like making a birdhouse or a bird feeder, do something creative with your bottle. Make some sort of recycle art. Surprise us with your creations. Share pictures with us. You can email me at lbrino@mdhallarts.org, or you can post it on our Facebook page. I hope you found some inspiration with our recycled art project today. During these tough times, we're always looking for things to help inspire us, and we know that art heals, inspires, and empowers every day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay creative. We'll see you next week.